guys, back at it again. That's right. We got some more car parts, thanks to Santa, my little Santa. She's somewhere. But got some new car parts. I've been wanting these for the longest. I just kind of been putting back on the car, modding it and putting going crazy on it. So but this upcoming year, it's this year. Wham. So we got a couple of stuff lined up. So I haven't even installed my X-pipe or my headers on there. So we're gonna install that along with some other stuff. You guys keep posted with that. So we got a couple of stuff lined up for it. In the meantime, a little modification that I've been wanting to do. Add some more carbon to it. As you guys can see. That's right, it's missing them. So I purchased the car that way. It didn't come with the side skirts, so that's what my chick got me for Christmas. So she got me that along with some other stuff, and let's get into it. I'm gonna let you guys know what all we're gonna be using. I'll be posting it on the description, the link, so you guys just click on it and purchase it. Just make it a lot easier on y'all. These side skirts, as you guys can see, they are actual carbon. You see that?
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
they look sick, super sick. So here's my Santa right there.
Okay, perfecto.
So she got me these. So these are actual carbon. We're gonna be using a 3/16" drill bit. All right, and it comes with these, which surprised me. All right, because this is what I've been using every time I install any aerodynamic part on any car. So these hold up pretty good. All right, these are cherry max rivets, squeeze rivets, whatever you guys want to call them, pop rivets. And you guys are going to be needing this tool in order to be able to use them and install them. All right, so with that being said, these come pre-drilled, which is awesome, amazing. Just installed them. They line up with all the holes perfectly, fit all the OEM parts. So this is the orientation they go in. If you guys can see the slots right there, one's bigger than the other. All right, so the larger slot goes towards the front on the driver's side, and the other one obviously on the passenger side. All right, so let's get on with the installation. All right, so I got this set up right now. I had to lift up the car just to kind of give me space down there to be able to get under and drill out my hose. So what I did, I used the jack and set this in place and kind of aligned everything, so which makes it a lot easier. At this point, this thing fits perfectly. All right, so this basically sits flush. You don't have to take this piece in here off, so you can leave it on and it'll clear, and along with this side as well. See, it's perfect fit, man. I love this. All right, these are by far the easiest side skirts I've installed. All right, so let me go ahead and start drilling the hose with the 3/16" bit and start doing the installation. All right, so I started with the back and did the front. See, there it is. All right, so in case you guys don't know, here's how you do it. Everything lined up, pushed up against it. Get your drill, go through it. All right, and then you get a pop rivet, put it in there. All right, put it against it, push it in, squeeze, push it in, squeeze, push it in. There it goes. That's how it should come out. See, and then it comes out on the other side, pops right there, nice and snug, perfect fit. So let me go ahead and install both sides, and then I'll let you guys see the final result. There it is, guys. Install complete. Check that out. Yup. Love how it looks. Changes up the car big time. It looks like right there. Sorry for all the camera movement. There it is. That's all they needed right there. Last finishing touches. with the carbon package, but I'm not sure why it didn't come with this. Unless the previous owner just, I don't know, they damaged it or something, took it all off. But see, it came with the one in the back, comes with this. That went there, so I don't know. It's crazy. Obviously with the lip as well, he looks like he damaged it right there. So my boy Raulito actually clear coated that for me, retouched it up, painted the whole front blacked out, and well, the hood comes carbon already from factory. So there it is, guys. Hope you guys hope this helps out for whoever's doing this install. Look at that. Just changes the look big time. Yep, love it. There it is. All right, well, guys, make sure y'all check out the description, and hope this actually helps you guys out. And catch you on the next one.